How to make or create a playlist on TikTok. Well, hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me guide you through the steps on how you can make or create playlists on TikTok. Well, to create a playlist on TikTok, what you need to do is you want to head into TikTok and head into your profile. Once on your profile, you want to tap the three lines on the top right corner, and here select TikTok Studio option. Once you select TikTok Studio option, you want to select the playlist option here. So in my case, you can see I don't have that particular feature available. But however, if you do have your feature available in your region for the particular playlist option, you'll be able to tap on playlist and then from there tap create playlist and give it a name and videos to it. So that way you can create a playlist. Now I have not enabled the playlist feature here, but you can easily do so. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.